Looking for a powerful yet affordable way to keep your yard clean and tidy? You're in the right place. Best leaf blower for the money. In this guide, we'll explore top-performing options that deliver strong airflow, reliability, and great value without breaking your budget. After watching the video, be sure to check the links in the description below for each item. Now, let's get started.
Number 1. LAZYBOI 21V Leaf Blower. The LAZYBOI 21V leaf blower is a practical option for homeowners who want a lightweight and hassle-free way to keep outdoor spaces clean. Its cordless design immediately removes the limitations of power cords, making it easier to move around patios, driveways, and small yards. Equipped with two 21V batteries, it provides decent working time for light tasks, and the ability to swap batteries ensures you can continue without long interruptions. The turbo technology boosts airspeed up to 150 mph, which is strong enough to handle dry leaves and light debris effectively. Weighing only around 3.5 pounds, it's comfortable for one-handed use and reduces fatigue during longer sessions. The fast charging feature is also convenient, getting you back to work quickly. While it's not designed for heavy-duty yard work, it performs reliably for everyday cleaning jobs. Overall, it's a solid choice for users who prioritize portability, ease of use, and simple maintenance. Number 2. Milwaukee M18 Leaf Blower. The Milwaukee M18 leaf blower stands out as a dependable and professional-grade tool built for consistent performance. Designed with a compact and portable form factor, it balances power and usability well, making it suitable for both homeowners and more demanding users. The battery-powered system eliminates cords while still delivering steady airflow, which is ideal for clearing leaves, dust, and debris from various surfaces. Its backpack-style design adds comfort during extended use, especially when tackling larger areas. Milwaukee's reputation for durable tools is reflected in this blower, offering solid construction and reliable operation over time. The lightweight build ensures that it doesn't feel overly bulky, even during longer sessions. While it may not be the most powerful blower on the market, it delivers consistent results with less noise compared to gas alternatives. Overall, it's a great option for users who want a balance between portability, durability, and dependable everyday performance. Number 3. WOLFMEN Leaf Blower. The WOLFMEN leaf blower is a versatile and efficient tool designed for everyday yard maintenance. It features a powerful motor capable of delivering up to 450 CFM and 150 mph, making it strong enough to clear leaves, dust, and light debris from courtyards, sidewalks, and garages. The inclusion of two 20-volt batteries allows for extended usage, with each battery providing a decent runtime on lower settings. This makes it a practical option for users who want uninterrupted cleaning sessions without frequent charging breaks. The adjustable speed modes add flexibility, letting you switch between lighter and more demanding tasks with ease. Its lightweight design, at just around 3.8 pounds, ensures comfortable handling and reduces strain during use. Assembly is quick and simple, so you can get started without hassle. While it's best suited for light to moderate work, it offers reliable performance and convenience, making it a good choice for regular home maintenance. Number 4. WORX WG520 Leaf Blower. The WORX WG520 leaf blower is built for users who need strong airflow and efficient coverage for larger areas. Featuring turbine fan technology, it delivers up to 600 CFM, which allows you to clear wide spaces quickly with fewer passes. The blower reaches speeds of up to 110 mph, providing a solid balance between power and control. Its two speed settings make it versatile, giving you the option to handle tight corners or switch to higher power for open lawns. Despite its performance, it remains relatively lightweight at around 6.5 pounds and is designed for comfortable one-handed operation. The Hyper-Stream air nozzle is a useful addition, helping to focus airflow for tougher debris when needed. While it's corded, which may limit mobility compared to battery-powered models, it ensures consistent power without worrying about battery life. Overall, it's a reliable option for users who prioritize power and efficiency in yard cleanup tasks.
Number 5. YOOVL 650 CFM Leaf Blower. The YOOVL 650 CFM leaf blower is a powerful and versatile option designed for users who want extended runtime and strong performance. With airflow reaching up to 650 CFM, it handles everything from dry leaves to light snow and grass clippings with ease. One of its standout features is the dual 20V 5.2 AH batteries, which provides significantly longer usage time compared to many competitors, making it suitable for larger cleaning tasks. The 3 speed settings offer excellent control, allowing you to adjust power depending on the job, whether it's light dust or heavier debris. Its cordless design adds convenience, while the included shoulder strap helps distribute weight evenly, reducing strain during longer sessions. The ergonomic build and balanced design make it comfortable to operate, even for extended periods. Overall, this blower is a strong choice for those looking for power, longer runtime, and flexibility in handling various outdoor cleaning tasks. Like the video, hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon.